Last year, I made a couple of videos about how to upload football videos on YouTube and avoid copyright. Now, for the past 8 months, I've been getting more views from YouTube search across the 2 videos I made on this topic. So that got me curious, and I did some digging. I stumbled upon this YouTube channel called Football Protocol. They have been able to make $1,400, and they have gained 1,439,466 total views in the last 28 days. They currently have 74,000 subscribers with just 54 videos, and of course, the channel is monetized. The reason is just because of how they edit their videos, which I will be showing you guys step by step in this video. First, I'm going to show you guys how you can come up with ideas and topics. Secondly, I will show you where you can get football matches. And most importantly, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your football videos on CapCut and avoid copyright on YouTube. But before jumping into the step-by-step process, let me quickly show you guys what I was able to create, even though I'm not a football lover. Let's take a look at the game between Inter Miami and Sporting KC. In the first 10 minutes, the game was very intense. The build-up play was exceptional, starting from the goalkeeper to the defenders, then to a midfielder, and eventually a header over to Lionel Messi. Messi then found Luis Suarez, who made a brilliant pass between 2 defenders, and Suarez tried to return the favor, sending it back to Messi. This created a direct opportunity from the header, with Messi capitalizing on the situation. Now, moving on to the second goal. It started with a pass from the striker to Jordi Alba, then Jordi Alba to Messi. Messi, seeing the movement ahead of him, delivered another fantastic pass between 3 defenders. Jordi Alba, with his experience, saw the opening and placed the ball perfectly. As for the third goal, it came from a defensive error. The defender should have cleared the ball, but felt the pressure from Suarez and hesitated. This allowed Suarez to seize the opportunity and pounce on the mistake. That's the mark of a great striker. Okay, stay with me, and I bet you're gonna learn how to create a video like that. Alright, let's go straight to the tutorial. The first step is to come up with your initial video idea. One of the easiest ways to do this is by visiting a specific channel, clicking on the Videos tab, and then sorting them by Popular. This will show you the videos that have received the most views. You can draw inspiration from these videos. For example, there's one video titled 3 Types of Defenders and How to Destroy Them, with over 400,000 views, and another titled How to Run So Fast It Feels Illegal, with over 400,000 views. Having a clear video idea in mind is crucial because if you don't know what you want to create, it will be challenging to source football matches for your content. Let's assume you already have some video ideas, but you're unsure where to download football matches. Footballia is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in downloading both old and new football matches. You don't need to pay any subscription fee. All you have to do is sign up for a free account. Once you've created your account, you will have access to over 42,000 matches on the platform. First, click on the sign up button to create your account. Since I already have an account, I'll move on to the next step, downloading the matches you want. For example, I've decided to make a video about Messi. I'll scroll down to the Special Collections section and locate the Messi football matches. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can see all the matches Messi has played from 2003 to the present. However, please keep in mind that matches played from 2003 to 2015 have very low quality, which could affect your video's quality when you upload it to your YouTube channel. You can find matches with good resolution from 2020 onward. For this tutorial, I'll select a match from 2025 Sporting Kansas City versus Inter Miami. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to a page where you can't normally download the video directly, as there's no download option. But don't worry, downloading the video is simple. Right-click on the page and select Inspect. This will bring up a new window. Click on the Network tab, and the page will display the video files. click on the video you want. The video will pop up in a new tab when you do this. To download the video, click on the 3 dots and select Download. The video will then be saved to your device. You can repeat this process for all the matches you want to download. For instance, if you want to create a compilation video about Ronaldo, you can download all the matches he has played. It's a bit of work, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Now that you know how to download football matches, it's essential to learn how to edit them to avoid copyright issues on YouTube. If you don't handle this correctly, you risk receiving strikes, which could lead to your channel being demonetized or even deleted from the platform. This next step is crucial, so please keep watching. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. To edit the video, I will use CapCut, but you can choose any editing software you like. First, upload the football match into CapCut and drag it into the timeline. Before you start editing or cutting clips, watch the full match first. This will help you find the best moments, making your editing easier and faster. Next, cut out the parts of the clips you don't need and delete them from the timeline. After this, your timeline should look something like mine. Now, let's increase the frame size to 126. This will remove any watermarks on your screen. Once you do that, it's time to add transitions. Click on Transitions at the top and choose any transition you like. I like the one called Light Beam and Burn 2. After you add your transitions, you can add stickers or annotations where necessary, just like I did. The stickers will help keep viewers interested in watching your video. Next, let's add a filter. Click on the filter icon at the top and look for the Bad Bunny filter. Drag it into the timeline and lower the intensity to 62. Now it's time to add effects. You can pick any effect you want, but I usually use the vignette. Choose the one that you like best. We're almost finished with this tutorial. The last steps are to add commentary, captions, and then export the video. As I mentioned before, I don't know much about football, so I asked a friend to write the script I used for the voiceover in this video. I sent him the video to watch so he could write me a script. If you know about football, you can write your script. If not, it's okay to ask someone else for help. The important thing is to have some knowledge about football to write a good script. Now, let's keep going. Import the voiceover into CapCut and drag it into the timeline. Click on Captions at the top. Select your spoken language and then click Generate. It may take some time to create your captions. After that, click on Template to browse the options and choose the one you like. I will pick this one because it matches the style of the channel we are modeling from. You can make small adjustments to your captions to help them stand out. Once you finish all these steps, click on Export to save the video to your device.